Tables for Google Slides. Tables are not just for numbers and math, they're also a great way to organize information. Continuing with our top 5 dog breeds, I'm going to add a table with 6 rows, one for each of the 5 top dog breeds and another for the headings. I'm going to add columns for rank order, breed, pros, and cons, so 4 columns total. The small font is a problem. In a presentation, we want a minimum of 18-point font size, but that makes this way too big for the size of the slide. The first thing I can do is remove the bullets, and then I can adjust the column width, and finally, I'm putting my most detailed information in a smaller font size, just so that it fits. This is a bit of a hack. Best case would be to actually put it on a few different slides or reduce the amount of text in some way. Finally, I can make the table look nice. I can change the border and fill colors for readability, as well as sticking to a brand theme, for example. And now you know.